The mission of the Purdue Peace Project is to convene groups of local citizens in fragile states where clearly identified situations threaten to lead to political violence, and encourage and assist these citizens in their efforts to bring about peaceful solutions. The Purdue Peace Project members support local communities to reach peacekeeping solutions and avoid violence by providing the communities they work in with a setting in which to convene community meetings. The project also provides financial resources these community leaders need to initiate the solutions they create in these meetings. Dr. Stacy Kanoe is the founding principal investigator and director of the Purdue Peace Project, along with Milt Lauenstein, who is the financial donor behind the organization.
Very importantly, Milt and I, along with Jessica Burns, our consultant on the project, are very passionate about wanting to inspire a genuine appreciation for locally led peace building, which the Purdue Peace Project is all about. We are about encouraging and assisting local citizens to lead peace-building efforts.
Kanoe says that the goal of the Peace Project has always been to be as lean as possible in order to focus the efforts of the Purdue Peace Project on reaching peaceful solutions that will have an immediate positive effect.
We work very hard to create an organization that allows tremendous flexibility and quick response to the situations in West Africa and Central America.
The Purdue Peace Project currently possesses sites in Ghana, Liberia, Nigeria, El Salvador, and is currently in the process of building connections with the local communities in Burkina Faso, West Africa. Before the Peace Project is invited to work in a community, Dr. Kanoe must go through an extensive process in which she visits the country they plan to work in several times before starting the project in order to gain their trust. Something she had done recently in El Salvador, the next location where the Purdue Peace Project will start its work.
I've traveled to the country 4 times, building relationships with a local community, with other NGOs, with the Catholic Church, with fishermen, with youth, right? And every time I go, I hope that we're cultivating our relationship, our trust in each other even more.
The Peace Project strives to be an organization that convenes local peace committees, which allows the local leaders in that country to come up with their own peacekeeping solutions. This means that the Purdue Peace Project does not come in with a specific agenda that they advise the local communities to follow.
We believe first and foremost that those local citizens have the knowledge, the experience, the expertise in order to be able to design and implement those strategies themselves.
Graduate student research assistants are a core aspect of the Purdue Peace Project due to the fact that preventing violence in these countries requires systematic observations and data collection of the peace-building processes that the Purdue Peace Project carries out. One graduate student researcher in particular, Lilia Yakova, faced a situation where all her communication and research with community members in Liberia had to be done online. Shortly after she had been assigned to the Purdue Peace Project's Liberia location in 2014, the outbreak of Ebola in that region ceased any travel to the project location.
The only way in which we could work with the people was through online communication. We did an Ebola prevention campaign there with the people who were our collaborators in the field. They were actually the ones who designed the campaign, who implemented the campaign, but we couldn't travel there.